Hello, hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wednesday. It is normally Battle of the Stitches Day, but we had our live yesterday, and so Lexi from Helix Stitchcraft, her project got the most votes, and Lori from Lori's Stories and Crochet is the one who won out of everybody that voted. So she's going to decide which project she wants, and she's going to get back with me and let me know that. But today, since we did the live yesterday, um, I've decided that today I would show you some kits that I got on Amazon Prime Day, and the these are called the Crochet Box. Yeah, these are called Crochet Box. This is what they look like. And I got three of them because they had them on sale. I got the Highland Cow. This one, the Highland Cow now is $12.99. I got let's see what this one is. The Mushroom. And let me look. Let me find that real quick. Oh, it's not on here anymore. What? Oh, yes, it is. Here it is. I didn't go far enough. $15.99 for the Mushroom. And then the third one that I got was the Owl. And the Owl, I'm looking on my phone to get these prices. No, stop. The Owl is $12.99. So $12.99 for the Highland Cow and the Owl, and then $15.99 for the Mushroom. So what I thought I'd do is I'm going to open these up and just show you, and I'll link these kits in the description box. But what I thought I would do is I'll open one of them because they pretty much all have the same thing in them. But what it says on here, on the back, it shows you. It comes with a hook, an ergonomic hook, which I can't wait to look at, uh, a pre-started round yarn. Now that's what the Woobles does, so they do the same thing. They get your yarn started and they mark the first 3 stitches with a stitch marker. Step-by-step videos, safety eyes, um, tutorials, spare yarn and cotton, sturdy sewing needles, and your custom beginner yarn. So, I think they pretty much do it like the Woobles does. They give you everything you need, and then they give you a password that's secret inside your box, and you use that to get your pattern to work this project. So this is the Owl. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, if I can get the box to open. There it goes. So you have, and it looks very similar to the Woobles yarn, but we have some white and some yellow. And here's the green with the starting magic ring and the first, I think it's like 6 stitches. And then they get you your stuffing. Oh, here's the hook. And it is a 3.5mm hook. Looks like, is it an inline hook? No, it's not inline. It's not an inline hook. But there's the hook, 3.5. Then you have your nope, that's just something else. In here is a little bit your tapestry needles and a little bit of the yarn to do the embroidery. And then you have your booklet, and this is what the little owl looks like. Cuteness, cute, 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 cute. It has this little book. Minty is the owl's name because of the mint green. That's really cute. They have a QR code that you can scan for beginner basics, and it really gets down to the basics if you've never done amigurumi before. And then the other QR code for watching the tutorial video. So let's see. It has a written pattern in here. It gives you a chart that shows all the crochet abbreviations. So this little dude has your written pattern inside, and basic stitches instruction in this little book. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. It tells you how to, it shows you how to fasten off and close up, if you're making a ball, how to close it off, how to weave in your ends, how to make a slip knot, a picot stitch, how to sew the pieces of the amigurumi together. Um, shows you how to make a basic stitches, the single, double, half double, a slip stitch, a magic ring, how to hold your yarn, wrong and right, what the wrong and the right sides look like. This is very thorough. I really love this. So that's everything that came in the kit for the owl. So and let's take a look at what the other two have. I think this, let's see, is this one? Yep, this is the mushroom, which was so stinking cute. I had to get this one because it's so cute. So we have red, white, and blue, and some more white. That's the yarn. Another 3.5mm hook, so I'm gonna have plenty of those. Let's see, some extra little pieces of yarn in here for the, I guess that's for to do the embroidery, and your safety eyes are down in there too. And then the same little instruction books and how-to books and your stuffing. And these are what the mushrooms look like. Aren't those cute? There's the mushrooms. So that's what came in the kit for the mushrooms. And then, and y'all, I like the Woobles kits, but $40, and you can get these for $12.99 or $15.99. That to me is a much better price point for the amount of stuff that you're getting. Now, I haven't used the yarn yet. I haven't worked these up, so I can't give a review on that yet. This is the Highland Cow, and so there's the yarn for that. I'll give you one guess at who's getting the Highland Cow. If you know, you know. And here's the safety eyes and the embroidery yarn. Another 3.5mm hook. The stuffing, and then here's what the Highland Cow looks like. Um, you can guess in the comments below at who you think I'm going to give this to, but if you've watched enough of my videos, you know. And if you know, you can guess, but the person I'm talking about, that's going in their stocking for Christmas. So I've got those. So what I thought I would do is I would work on these. I might take them with me to work on while I'm with my grandsons. Whoops, I forgot to put that in there. Where did that come out of? I think it came out of my Highland Cow bag, box. So I may work on these if I have time. Do y'all think I'm going to have time to crochet with grandsons around? Probably not. Am I going to take crochet with me anyway? Yes, I am, because that's what I do. And so, yeah. So I'm going to work those kits up, and I will give you a review on these when I'm finished to let you know. I may just, because I did the, where is my little guy? Right there. The little Woobles guy that I did that Shannon sent me. I did a review. I have a video on that. I've already reviewed the Woobles kit with this little guy right here. So I will do these and see how it compares to the Woobles. I'll let you know how it compares to the Woobles kits, and I will share what those, how they look, and like I said, just how they compare to a Woobles. We'll see. If there's a good comparison, if I like them better than the Woobles, if I like Woobles better, I will let you know. But that's what I'm going to work on, and maybe by, oh, I don't know, sometime, maybe Monday. Depends on how my weekend goes. If I can at least get one done and show you, then I can do a review and let you know how it compares. So that may be the Monday video next week. Um, there will not be, in case you didn't watch the live today or yesterday, for Battle of the Stitches. Um, I let everyone know I will not be doing a live today. Usually every Wednesday, um, usually every Wednesday I do a live at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time. I will be on my way to my daughter's house at that time. So I will not be doing a live this Wednesday. Today, there will not be a live today, but I will pick that back up next week. Tomorrow's video, it will be the third video in the series that Shannon and I are doing called Back to Basics. So make sure you watch tomorrow's video. I will be showing you, and Shannon will be too, so watch her video tomorrow also. But we're going to be showing how our last video was the chain and the slip knot and the chain. And so this week it's going to be, Thursday's video will be the single crochet and the slip stitch. So make sure you watch that. If you know of anybody that's going to be a beginning crocheter or wants to learn crochet, let them know about it. We have in Shannon and I's playlists. On my playlist, I have mine and Shannon's videos. And Shannon has a playlist called Back to Basics also on her channel that has both of our videos in it. So you can go to either one of those playlists if you miss any of the videos and catch them there. But let your friends know about this I can't talk today, Back to Basics, because we really want a lot of people to get on board and watch this. And who knows, even if you're a seasoned crocheter, you might learn something you didn't know. You never know. So I'm going to get off here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you in tomorrow's Back to Basic video for the single crochet and the slip stitch. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.